Hello traders, this is Neil from Binary Option HD and binaryoptionbook.com, and today I'm here to talk about one of binary option strategies that most of the traders are using outside there. Anyway, I also have been testing it for a while now. It's a good strategy, especially for beginners. If you are looking for a way to understand how to trade binary option by yourself, that is the best way to make money using trading binary option. Because for me, as I mentioned on my previous video, I have tested a lot of signal service outside there, every signal service you can think about, and yeah, I came up with this idea that because most of the successful traders, they trade by yourself. You don't have to use any signal service. If you have time, try to do your research, try to study how to trade, and you're going to be a good trader and successful trader on binary option. Because if you are using just signal service, you're going to be having a lot of trouble understanding the way those traders trade. But if you learn by yourself and develop your own strategy, okay, sorry for that. Anyway, I'm just going to continue straight away because the point Japan is very famous indicator and very effective technical analysis tool. So yeah, I think it's very famous, then there is no need to even explain about this one. So I'm just going to go straight away for this strategy. And yeah, as I mentioned, I trade I'm using one chart, 1 minute chart, trade to 5 minute time frame. So if I'm looking for put opportunities, I'm just gonna wait if the price close outside the upper band, which means that the price is overbought. So let's say, okay, this is not a good example, and you have to follow these rules very well. Make yourself rules to how to trade it, and yeah, just try to test it and see what's going to be the best rules that you can trade by yourself. But mostly the best way and the safest way, if you wait the candle to close outside the upper band, for like here, if the price closes here, just take the put option from here for 5 minutes. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5, you're going to be deep in the money here. That is one of the example. And also you're going to look for call opportunity. Let's say, hopefully we're going to find call opportunity here. This one was one of the opportunities. I took call option here. It was in the money, but it's not a good example. It's not a good example because most of the time you're just going to end up outside of the money, and that is not a good way to trade it. Anyway, this one is a good example, and this one is a good example. I'm just going to try to look for a call option. Okay, here. This one, as I also wait the price to close outside the upper band and take the call option for 5 minutes. 1 2 3 4 5. Also, it's deep in the money. And mostly don't force the trade. Don't chase the trade. Wait for the good opportunity and take your time. And yeah, you're gonna be having good success with that. And if you just go, I'm just gonna give you another example for confirmation. Yeah, this one for call. Okay, for call opportunity, the price close outside the upper band, which is oversold. Oversold. So for here, it's gonna close here and just gonna take the call opportunity from here. 1 2 3 4 5. Also, it's deep in the money. And another one, I'm just gonna also give you another example as a confirmation. Let's say, okay, basically, this is a good example here. If the market is like this one, like this area, that means the market is ranging. So you have to stay away. Don't take trade in this area. Okay, this one is another example. Wait the market to the candle to close outside the upper band and take your take your call take a code here. So 1 2 3 4 5, also you're gonna end up in the money. And you have this one also, another option, market could, because I think this was on the market maybe between the session, or the market was closed and then open it. So you have this one call option from here, 1 2 3 4 5, you're gonna end up in the money here. And you just can look for opportunities, as I mentioned. I hope this one is not complicated, and I don't want to confuse you. And you can, as I said, you can use another indicator for confirmation, but don't add a lot of indicators, because it's just gonna mess up your rules and trading, and you don't want that. As a beginner, you need to understand the market, you need to understand what you are doing, you need to put yourself some rules how to trade. And yeah, you're gonna be a good trader, and you're gonna have a lot of success. And yeah, basically this is all about it. And if you like the video, you can like it, and you can also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, just post it down below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And yeah, look up to see you on my next video. That is all for now. Bye. Trade safe.